I'm just playing. Hey, Ale. Okay, so USD Canadian dollar. We're gonna move this over here. So let's start with the monthly. So we're gonna clear everything. Okay, so with the monthly, if we zoom out, here goes our high, and then here goes our low right there, kinda. Okay, right now Canadian is trying to break this other high or whatever. So right now we're in a nice uptrend for the month. Now let's go down to the weekly so we can get some more information. So with the weekly right here, we've gotten like all these green mean up, and then it looks like they lost momentum, like they don't want to go up no more. And there's been 2 weeks where they just been doing bad, and the green is trying to recover. So that's a little bit of information. So we can put another line right here because this is the highest that it's been, and then everything else been rejected, right? All right, so now that we get closer, you see how the information just kind of clears up. So the highest it's been is kind of like up here, and then the lowest that it's been for the past days is down here. So if it ever breaks this line, we can see a lot of movement because it hasn't touched that, as well as right here. Honestly, let's put another line right here. Right, all right, so let's go to our 4-hour. So on the daily, it's going up. It's been going up for the past 3 days. So it's going up today. Well, it's going up today and May 1st, so which was last week. All right, so if we're looking at the 4-hour, let me show you how today started. Today's May 4th. So starting May 4th right here, it started to go down right here. So we're already off to like a downtrend. But last week's low is up here, and then last week's high is up here. So it's like between this range up here, and it looks like it rejected this area right here. Because you see how, let's put it right here. You see how it broke this line, but it just came back down. So it's respecting this area. Let's actually make it like this so you can understand it some more. Right here. So this box right here, it's just kind of floating in between this line. And if you back test it, you can also see it right here. So it's like between this box, it rejected here, it finally broke out, and it respected the last week's high. It came down, came through it, and then it finally broke all the way down, and then now it's coming up, and it's playing between the box. They could have rejected it because it's been rejected 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So this, after the 3rd time, this could be like the final straw to say, okay, we're going down. So right now the US Canadian dollar looks like it's going down, but let's go ahead and go down to the lower time frame. You can see right here the candles are red, meaning it is going down, but they're not as strong as they would be over here. Over here you see a lot of strong movement. So honestly, we could see it rejecting this area, or it could continue to push down, but there's little to no movement. And if we were to see it to come down, a good entry point besides the one that you've already given yourself would kind of be like right here. So what I can do is I can put a line right here, and then I'm going to put a little alarm. So with the alarm, it's going to let me know that it's reached this point and it's going to continue to buy, right? So we can put that into consideration for right now, because look, it's been bought and bought and bought, and now it's time for it to sell. But then again, I mean, it's still in a ranging thing. And look, with prices up here, if it does hit this line, it's going to continue to come down because it's in a nice solid downtrend. You can also see the solid downtrend going this way like this. Let me see, something like this. Let me zoom in just to make it better. No. Right here. It's gonna touch this line, touching that line. So every time it touched this line, it went down. It touched this line again and it went down. So it could continue to go down. We could see it hitting this level, but we should be good for right now.